Handsome boy, what is your name?
My name is Oshane.
Lovely name. So Oshane, what if I give you a tablet for your Christmas? What would you do with it?
I will do my schoolwork on my tablet.
Lovely, lovely. Now, your wishes.
The body of missing 5-year-old Oshane Banton has been found at a pump house in Town, Clarendon. Little Oshane went missing on Friday. Up to late Saturday evening, the Clarendon police were processing the scene. My viewers, subscribers, Janu, oh God, like, why so much sad news this year, my viewers, subscribers? Look at this young, handsome young man, like, who haven't even started life as it. Just turned 5, my viewers, subscribers. Now, hearing the story and now learning where he was found got me thinking maybe he wandered off on John. I don't know. Either way, it is sad, but parents need to be more vigilant. I have to say that, my viewers, subscribers. And even though the parents are mourning right now and other family members, it's really important to provide them with the necessary strength mentally needed at this point. But I think I want to point out that parents should be a little bit more vigilant in a time like this, my viewers, subscribers. No, I don't want to speculate. As I said earlier, it could have been a case where he wandered off, but that is not out there, so I will not confirm that is the case. But I'm just saying, based on the story that I'm hearing, no, he was drowned. There's no evidence or information out there that he was kidnapped and murdered there, and then we are thinking as to what could have really happened back there. Again, condolences goes out to his family. R.I.P. little Oshane. Like, it's just disturbing, and it's just so sad and heartwarming to know that a baby who haven't even started his life as yet just gone like that, my viewers, subscribers. This cannot be easy to cope with, and even though I don't know the family impersonally, I can understand that they're going through a lot right now. The boy was missing on Friday. We were hoping that they would have find him alive and not dead, but like, things went the wrong way, and we have just learned that his body was found. And channel viewers, subscribers, like, let me just get some RIP in the comment section below now, and just send the prayers out there for his mother specifically. Like, she's going through a hard time right now, my viewers, subscribers. The police are also said that once autopsy has been completed, they will know further as to what really happened, if it was strangled or anything like that. But I just hope it's not a case where he was murdered and thrown into the pump. But boy, parents, like, gonna need to protect the young ones, like, protect them with all on the might. Now left them out on the side. If I even handcuff them or tie them up on something, just don't leave them out of your sight. Like, it's really hard. It really hurt when we hear them kind of incident here happen, whereas it's young babies. We're not talking adults here, we're talking young babies who haven't even started futures yet. And by watching a video of this little child or baby, just swear. But my viewers, subscribers, again, R.I.P. to little Oshane. Condolences goes out to his mother and his family. Hope God see them through and they remain strong during this time. Until next time, my viewers, subscribers, I'm out.